Today we bring it all together. This is where strategy meets execution, and where your AI-powered system evolves into a fully integrated, future-proof engine for long-term success. A final thought. Yesterday, an integrated AI affiliate system achieved what was once impossible: 100% automation with 99.9% accuracy. This is what happens when technology, process, and strategy align. Today, we build toward that future. The Integration Master Plan. Everything we've learned connects to form a seamless, high-performance AI affiliate system. Smart implementation. Align AI with business goals. Data-driven decisions. AI analytics for real-time insights. Content. Optimization. Hyper-personalized, AI-generated content. Cross-channel marketing. Seamless presence across platforms. Trust building. Privacy. First strategies to gain user confidence. Risk management. AI-powered fraud detection and compliance. Future adaptation. Scalable systems for evolving markets. Core integration components. System integration. AI engine connection. Ensuring all tools work together. Data flow optimization. Seamless data movement between platforms. Process automation. AI-driven task execution. Performance monitoring. Real-time insights for efficiency. Security enhancement. Protecting data and transactions. Process integration. Workflow. Optimization. Streamlining operations. Task. Automation. Reducing manual effort, increasing accuracy. Quality control. Ensuring AI-generated content and processes meet standards. Performance tracking. Monitoring ROI and engagement. Value. Creation. Maximizing revenue and user satisfaction. Value integration. Revenue optimization. AI-driven pricing and ad targeting. Cost reduction. Automation. Reducing overhead costs. Experience. Enhancement. Personalized, engaging user interactions. Trust building. AI-powered transparency and security. Growth acceleration. AI scaling campaigns efficiently. Future-proofing strategy. Ensuring long-term success requires 3 levels of readiness. Technology, readiness, infrastructure, flexibility. Scalable systems that adapt. System adaptability. AI that evolves with trend. Innovation capability. Keeping ahead with emerging tech performance, scalability. Handling growth without breakdowns. Security enhancement. Future-proofing against threats. Market readiness. Trend monitoring. AI analyzing real-time market shifts. Opportunity. Identification. Predictive insights for strategic decisions. Risk management. AI detecting and mitigating risks. Value creation. Keeping marketing efforts relevant and valuable. Growth planning. AI-driven business expansion strategies. Organizational readiness. Skill development. Training teams for AI-powered workflows. Process adaptation. Upgrading workflows for AI efficiency. Culture evolution. AI integration into business mindset. Resource optimization. Allocating budget, tools, and staff wisely. Innovation focus. Driving change through AI-first strategies. Implementation framework. Phase 1. Foundation system assessment. Analyze current tech stack. Process evaluation. Identify inefficiencies. Resource planning. Allocate budget and tools. Risk management. Address security and compliance risks. Strategy development. Create a clear AI roadmap. Phase 2. Integration system connection. API and AI integrations. Process optimization. Automating and refining workflows. Performance monitoring. AI-powered tracking and analytics. Value creation. AI-driven engagement and conversion improvements, growth acceleration, scaling campaigns efficiently. Phase 3, future-proofing innovation development, adopting cutting-edge tech, risk management, continuous monitoring and compliance value enhancement, elevating customer experience, growth planning, AI strategies for long-term expansion, success measurement, tracking progress and optimizing continuously, success metrics. How do we measure integration success? 1. Integration, success system performance, AI efficiency and accuracy, process efficiency, reduction in manual workload, value creation, AI's impact on customer experience, cost reduction, lower operational costs through automation growth acceleration, AI driving revenue at scale 2, future readiness innovation capability, ability to adopt emerging AI tech, risk management, AI-driven fraud and compliance solutions, value potential, growth-driven AI optimizations, strategic positioning, market leadership through AI-first strategies, business, impact revenue growth, AI optimizing affiliate earnings, cost reduction, AI minimizing waste, customer satisfaction, higher engagement and retention, market position, AI helping businesses stay ahead. Competitive advantage, first mover edge in AI affiliate marketing. Practical application, your next steps. Final action items before you launch your AI-powered affiliate strategy. 1. Complete system integration. Ensure all tools work together seamlessly. Optimize all processes. Automate workflows and remove inefficiencies. Enhance value creation. AI-driven engagement and conversion strategies. Plan for growth. Scalable AI architecture for expansion. Measure success. Define key KPIs and track performance. The road ahead. The future of AI affiliate marketing is about evolution, adaptability, and innovation. What's next? Get to AI-driven technology evolution, continuous market transformation, scalable value creation, AI-powered growth acceleration, sustainable long-term success. Final thought. The future belongs to those who integrate, adapt, and innovate today. Final questions to reflect on. 1. Is your system fully integrated? 2. Are you ready for future challenges? 3. How will you measure success? 4. What's your long-term growth strategy? This concludes our course. You now have the knowledge, strategies, and tools to dominate AI affiliate marketing. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a business leader, or a marketing strategist, you are now future ready. Stay connected, keep innovating, and never stop evolving. The future is yours to create.